Hello and good day, guys. Hope all you traders are doing fine and enjoying your weekend. Let's get down to business. This is pair AUDCHF. It is one of the least volatile pair uh, in all forex pairs, among all forex pairs. So people who do option trading, it is one of their best choice because the price doesn't move that much on bearish or bullish side. Uh, let's analyze it. So far, I found it very interesting this week for some reason. Let me share that in details. This is the actual range it is operating almost for 3-4 years. If we say, let's say, if we get here almost like from 18 to here, it is 5 years almost. So considering on month, let's define, I have defined the range here, and if we define the middle of the range is this line, and let's change it to dashed line. Now in monthly we don't have that much information at all, to be honest with you, and we don't have the double bottom here, because still we can say there is a little double bottom, but I don't consider it as a double bottom until this is finished, and even it is finished, there is not a recognized double bottom. However, if we see here, we have a double top, and if we consider the monthly double top, we can draw this line here. This is small area which is consisting the double top of monthly. Even why not draw? We should draw it out. Let's do it something like this. So let's make it red. Just for the record that this monthly time frame, we have only this line, which is very important at the moment, that the price is too much bearish, and it reached here on 2020 April or March, 2nd of March, and nothing much on monthly time frame. If we go to weekly now, then there is a lot of places we can define the double top here, and here we can define, but the area of interest of my double top is the latest one. This one I'm interested very much. And if you see here, there is another interesting thing. So let's draw the double top first here. So we see how the market has been unfolding itself for current period, unfolding itself for the last 6-7 months, and how we can relate that with the current period. So this is the area we can concentrate as weekly double top. Okay, this is our weekly double top, and let's go for it up to this range. And also we can now put some lines here for our conveniency. So this is our weekly double top. At the same time, guys, you can see we have a weekly double bottom here. Can you guys see? Red, green, red, green. Here it is green, red, green, red. Okay, green, red, green, red. Now when I try to draw this line here, okay, one interesting part came in my consideration. If I go back a little, can you guys see the same place here, the weekly time frame, it has been it started going bullish again from up to this if we minimize it, you can see it started here and it finished here. This bottom was responsible for the bullishness of this whole trend from here to here. So this is not actually, if we consider this one taken into consideration, consideration now, we can see that this is not a double bottom, actually it is a triple bottom. So if we draw a thing like this here, sorry, I made the mistake, I should have done it properly. Let's draw it from here. If we draw it from some place here, okay, and start going backward, and backward, guys, can you see? It's a triple top, triple bottom, I beg your pardon. I got lost sometime in translation. So this is a triple bottom we have now. So considering this guy as pattern 1, this guy as pattern 2, though it is triple top, we can see that where is our half line of this weekly range? If we try to find that out, let's try to find that out. So this is the range, and this is half of the range. This is half of the range. Come on. Yes. And this is half of the range of our weekly range. So what happened here? It created a double top here with this. Then it came down to this level, created a double bottom, considering the far left one triple bottom, and then it got bullish again, and it fulfilled its journey of the half of the range. Always I say that if any double bottom or double top happens, it will go half of the range at least. So considering this, it has again fulfilled its journey here. Now question is this: why did it stop here? Half of the range, okay, that's a rule of thumb we use, but there is something which triggered to push it back to get the market bearish here. So let's investigate that. Okay, only this one I am going to investigate. Why? We don't have anything in the weekly. In monthly, if we go, we don't have anything. Do we have anything? No, we don't. We need the green, red, and without body, we need the shadow. So let's go to daily. Now, if you go to daily, can you guys see if we have a why it happened here? Can you guys see? Do you understand what is going on here? This green red has stopped this. Stop the price to go more bullish. So here we can draw a double top on daily. Are you guys missing something or getting lost in translation like me? This is a double top. Okay, let me show you again. On monthly, we have a double top in here and that push the price here. That's it. That's we all have. And there is no double bottom because there is no we need red and green. There is no green, so there is no double bottom here. So we went to weekly, then we didn't consider this big range. We try to find out the latest double top of the weekly. So let's put it in with a legend. So let's treat it as P1 pattern 1 weekly double top. Okay, This is pattern 1 weekly double top. Sorry for the recap, but I think recap will refresh your mind properly, so you don't miss out. So this is P1. Then it pushed, after forming this double bottom, it pushed the price here. And we before this structure, if you see up to this mark, this created the double bottom from this left side, this guy. Okay, so this thing happened, then it pushed the price here. So we have pattern 2 here and pattern 3 also, because once the price reached here, it got bearish again and it created a triple bottom. So we have here, if we draw P2 and P3 triple bottom, considering the extreme left one. Okay, so this pushed the price here, and let's not put it P2 and P3, that is not the correct actually. Let's put it P2 for the time being, then we'll discuss what is happening. P2 is double bottom considering the left one, so this is P2, actually this one is P2. Okay, then it went up and it fulfilled the 50% journey of this range. From here to here, the range here is the 50%, it fulfilled the journey, and in day time frame it created a double top. Okay guys, so let's put it as double top, P3 double top in daily. Okay, so we have this in daily, done. This is done in daily. We need to squeeze a little more so we can visualize everything in order. Okay, it is not happening. Let's put it more close to this area. Okay, so this again, this area, this double top this double top pushed the price back this place, and this is the area of double top we have. Now coming back here again, it created pattern 4. Pattern 4 is triple top in weekly time frame. P4 weekly triple bottom, not top, sorry, I beg your pardon. So this is the thing, done. Okay, so this is week. Again, when it did the same thing here, it pushed the price here again. Now my question is this: what restricted the price here? Why didn't it went up to here? Because if we now measure the range, new range, of course we have a new range from this guy to this guy, and we see that it went up more than 50%, right? It came down here, then it went up more than 50%. This is the 50% of the total range. But it failed to break the 100%, the 50% of our weekly range. So my question was, what hold it back being bullish? So we don't have anything here, right? Nothing is here. If we mark this area, let's mark it in some different color. If we mark this area, and if we go to daily, weekly, we don't have anything, no double top. Monthly, there is no question of double top. This is the area, this is the place we are talking about. So if we go to daily again, so it was resisted here, nothing comes in this arena. So let's go to 4 hours chart. Now you can see that in 4 hours we have a player here. We have someone here who restricted this price. Guys, hope you are with me, right? So this is the guy, this candle, which created this double top in 4 hours time frame. So let's draw it again. Okay, this is the thing. Let's draw it. First I should connect this, otherwise it looks odd. We'll lose the connection. So this guy is responsible to push the price back again. Okay, so let's get back in daily. Now you understand. So it was pattern 3 which pushed the price back here, and this was pattern 4. In weekly triple bottom, it pushed the price back here. Now we have pattern 5. What we have? We have pattern 5 here. Okay. This is P5 double top in 4 hour time frame. Okay guys, so this is what we have now in 4 hour time frame. Sorry to take so much time, but I think the best thing comes with a better explanation. Now you see that our range has came down. Before the range was from what you say, from here to here. This was the double top that created this triple bottom. Now this triple bottom has created this double top again in 4H. So if we measure the half again, can you guys see? Okay, excellent. Did I draw? No, I didn't draw it properly. Hold on. If we measure the half again, let's measure the half properly. Okay, I think so. It has fulfilled is half of the journey. It made a double top, it got bearish and fulfilled half of the journey. Now here is the catch. Now where do we go from here? So if we want to draw half of the journey, we can draw it like this, so we understand what is going on. This is half of the journey, considering the 4 hours double top time frame, and we should change it to this color. This is half of the journey as well. Again the price started going up. Now what do we do? Where do we take the trade? Neither it is going up or down, rather than the range is getting narrow or slowly. If we go to 4 hours, now we can check why did it went up again. Can you guys, let me show you where I am concentrating now so you guys understand. Why did it started bullish from here again? So again, if we mark this area, let's mark Y. This is the area of our concern. If we go to 4 hours, and we can see there's this guy, this double bottom has been created from here in 4 hours time frame. So let's go there, draw it. Red, green, a very something like this. So this is the guy who created this thing actually. So if we minimize it a little, it looks very odd. Okay, more than enough. Not this one. I need to. Okay. So this is the guy who is responsible for this double bottom. So we have now pattern. What is this pattern? This is pattern, I think this is pattern 5 has done this 4 hours. Now we have a pattern 6 here. And the more the pattern got involved, and more the chances of breakout. This is the thing I have experienced before. So it is, we can say P6 in, sorry, P6 double bottom in 4 hours time frame. Okay. So now, if we consider this guy, this is the range now. Can you guys see? This is our current range. Again, if we measure, most interesting part, don't get bored, bear with me please. If we measure half of it, you see, it has completed the journey of the half. Now this half is very important. Why? I'm going to explain that in a moment. But before I do that, I would like to mark it properly. Okay. I put it a straight line in black because this is very important. That's it. Now, can you guys see that this is a cup and this is a handle? Or do you guys want me to draw? Let's draw. So this is the cup. If we go to 4 hours, we can have a better visualization. Hold on. This is a cup and this is the handle. So if I draw the cup here, and this is the handle we have already. So a pattern has formed and it is a very powerful pattern. Now thing is this, what we need to consider and what we don't need to consider. Initially, sorry, I beg your pardon. Okay. So this is the cup which has a double top and this is the handle. And these 4 hours has created this cup and these 4 hours double bottom created the handle. Now guys, as we can see the price action, it is a little bit confusing, right? But here is the thing you have to understand very clearly. Please watch this. So you guys don't get convinced, watch this. This is my way of thinking. It created a double bottom here. Again, the price came down here, but it didn't break. Can you guys see? It didn't break this line. It started taking off from here. So this is number 1 point to consider. So let's put it in marking. Second, if you see again, it came down, the price came down again. The price went up from here to here, and this is the line where which I already mentioned is very important line, because our current half is lying here, which has already taken off here. Anyhow, second time it came down to this area, but it failed to break this guy. So if we shift this guy from here to here, it failed. This guy failed to break this line on bearish side. Again, it tried to went up here, it came down but failed to break this area. So if we draw again here, then the market went up. Okay, the market went up straight, it went up. Now the last marking we have is this guy. If we shift this guy, this is the last marking we have on the downside, right? Because this is a red candle, then green, it is took off from here. Let's get rid of these things so we understand what is going on. Now when it breached this line, let's go to their time frames you understand. This is the line I was talking about, right? Because can you guys remember, if we measure the half of this current range, this is the half. Do you understand, guys? This is the half. Okay, let's change the color so you understand properly. Let's change the color. This is 4 hours color I use, purple one. If we measure the range from here to here, this is the half line. So it came down, make a double bottom, it tried to break out this half line. This is the half, and that was very important. So get back to 4 hours time frame now. So again the price broke the half line, make it mark above, and it broke a structure here, not only half, it broke the structure, but it failed to sustain the price here. Again it came down. If we mark this one as the lowest price of this leg, then we can see that it is far above the previous leg. So let me draw. Okay, let me finish first. Again from here it tried to break above, and when it came here it broke the structure. Again it is more than half. The half was below it. I have already showed it clearly, and it went up to here and it tried to break down below the structure, and it retraced. And if you see this red dotted line now, the price is above this. So in my opinion, I think the market is bullish biased, and to see it in one single stance, you can see it like this went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, and it went up, it came down up to here. So each time if you analyze here, it is creating what? It is creating higher lows. You see, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. But one thing is the catch which I didn't understand yet. I'm going to explain that in a while. Guys, I'm taking too much time, so you started seeing how analysis is done, and if any of my analysis can help you a little bit even in your own analysis, opening your eyes, then I will be very happy. So this is lower low, lower high, lower high, higher high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, lower high. This is the catch where I got stuck now. Why it made a lower high? So the market, I am confused about it at the moment is this, that this couldn't break this line. And that is the biggest worry I am. Because we have a confirmed cup and handle, and it is making lower low, lower low, higher high, higher high, but here it failed. So how we can deal with it? And we have a, honestly speaking, we to be very if I want to visualize, you can see that we have a double top here, and the range has got very narrow at the moment. You guys see, the lower range is this, the higher range is this. So if we measure this range, the price will come back here. It is my opinion. The price will come back here because it failed to break out this line. Here, this guy, it failed to break out. and that made me worried. However, if it failed to break above this, if it's successfully able to break above this structure for a body with a green candle with a body, I could have, I didn't worry this much. But as it is failed, in my opinion now, the lead to take is here. So before I discuss, let's put this black line in marking so we understand. Or maybe we can go for a little bit more conservative, that where the price will come. We can put this guy. You see, this guy coincide with this half. So let's put it here. So it will come here due to this range. You understand? The new range has formed. That within this new range, it has gone up, came back, again gone up, make a double top in 4 hours. So if we say it is P7, we can say, so why not mark it at P7? Let's put it P7. P7 double top in 4-hour time frame. Okay, so it will come back here as per the range measurement. But before I say how to take the trade, I would like to share something. Then listen to me very carefully, my dear traders. This is the area where double top, the calf, has been formed. Okay, so I'm going to mark it very seriously. So, and this is the neckline we have. And believe me, if we go to daytime, it will be easy for me to draw. So this is the neckline we have. So if we measure the depth here, can you see, guys? If we measure the depth from here to here, the depth of the cup, and if we measure the depth of the cup here, you know, once this neckline is broken on this side, it will go like this. Okay, and the 50% is confirmed, which is 5991, or you can say 0.56. 0.60. So guys, keep it in mind. I think this is the half. Can I? Yes, a little bit above. Is it okay? No, it is not okay. Is it okay now? Yes, it is almost there. So if we want to trade now, not coming back here, the breaking the neckline, as I have mentioned, that this is the neckline broken and it will go, and it's not a matter of joke, traders, it's very good. The total depth is 256, so we have 124 pips here. So this is one thing I wanted to show. And second thing, how we will trade this now. My opinion is plain and simple. As it has formed a new double top, I will consider two things here. First thing, I am going to wait for 8 hours here. If it breaks down, then it will come here. So this is one option I am giving you. If it breaks down, it will come here and retest this area. Then it will move upward. And you can see there is a single candlestick. What I mentioned several times, that in any bullish trend, if we have a opposite color candle, it is very powerful, guys. This is very powerful candle. So I'm going to mark it with black. because it has not, we don't have an official anything yet here. So I'm going to mark it as black, these black guys. Okay, so it will come here, retest, and it will come back here, and this time when if it comes back, it will not resist on any of this thing anymore. It will move on, and once it moves on, there is a zone here also, which we need to consider that the price will give some reaction from here. You see guys, this I draw it wrongly. This is the red guy, this guy. We may have some reaction here. If it moves, let me draw this, because we are dealing in 4 hours time frame, but we have to do it for the whole week. If there is major changes, I will come up with new videos. No worry if everything is okay with my health. Otherwise, guys, I'm sorry in advance. Okay, so this is another zone the price will react, and remember this is our neckline. I think we need a little bit down. Yes, that's it. So this is our neckline, and once this neckline is broken, we have a very smooth. So where is the trade lead? At the end of 36 minutes, bearing with me, I am torturing you guys, so I should give you a trade lead. My trade lead is simple. I will consider this guy as my stop loss, this guy as the limit. My trade lead will be here. So the trade lead will be go long at 5.60, 0.5760. My god, go long. Okay, stop loss will be somewhere, this is the place I take the trade, right? 1.60, and stop loss will be here, 5755, 0.5750. Is it too low? Where is it? 50. Okay, that's good, no problem. Okay, this is the thing. Take profit. One should be in the neckline. This guy. Where is our neckline? Here is our neckline. This is first take profit, 5858. But some of you guys can close here too, but it is too early, I think. Too small to take the risk. This is the guy. So let's make some conservative estimation here. It is 5851. Let's do it 58. 0.5850, and take profit 2 will be, if we measure 2, once it breaks this area, we'll move to this 5989. It will be 0.5990. And that's it for me today. Thank you for bearing with me and wasting your 40 minutes time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this way, if you do the analysis this way, I think things will move better on your side, and you will be able to see new things, and your analysis will be more robust, and there is a price reaction here, and then it will move up to 50%. And did I draw it properly? No. Here is the 50%. So you will able to learn everything of your own and become a successful traders. And one more thing, please do not allow your emotion to come in your analysis. If a trade goes wrong, let it go wrong. None of us is perfect, nor is our analysis. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.